Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Huawei P50, another rumors and leaks is here now. This time, leakers come with the hands-on images. We have already seen plenty of rumors for the upcoming renders of the upcoming Huawei P50 series, and today we have our first live look at the non-pro Huawei P50. Remember, the Huawei come with a P50, P50 Pro, and the Plus. Maybe they will launch the P50 Lite. The image come courtesy of reliable Tipstar Digital chat station, who shared them on its Weibo account of the Chinese website. We can see that the display, which is rumored to measure a 6.3 inches, will support a much smaller centered punch hole cut out this time around instead of the pill shaped on the Huawei P40 series. More importantly, we can see that the huge camera cutout on the back composite of two large circle, which should house 4 camera sensor in a total. So as you can see, this is the digital chat station post on Weibo. The Huawei P50 series is a rumored to do with the Sony 1-inch IMX800 sensor, which will be the largest camera on the phone to date. The remaining module are expected to fit in ultra-wide and telephoto lens as well as a 3D TOF camera. A second leak from the blogger Technology YU provides an even better look at the Huawei P50 rear cameras, giving us a look at all 4 sensor. Both new leaks also detailed the Harmony OS logo, which further reinstates Huawei possible switch from Android to Harmony OS. The Huawei P50 series, P50 Pro, P50 Pro Plus, and the P50, maybe the P50 Lite, is expected to launch around May and June in a white, black, blue, and a beige colors. Let's see in upcoming days. So let me know in the comment section, are you excited for the upcoming Huawei P50 series? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.